Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A couple of days ago, a person, and we kept emailing back and forth. I couldn't quite understand what he was trying to do, but that's what he's trying to do. He's going to print blue stars and red stars on a black t-shirt and wanted to know how to do this. And I sent him this and he said it's perfect. And there's a couple of extra steps you can take to make sure that I'll just explain it as I go. So I've got a group of stars. There's 100 of them, actually. I'm going to take a star, and I always work in the center of the page, even though this is much bigger than the center of the page. And then you kind of look at it that you're not getting those stars, so that might be pretty good. So what you're going to want to do now, and this is why I like the intersect tool, I'm going to intersect that. And we have that group of stars. Now, the other thing you should do for printing, I guess, is take all these and go back minus front, and that takes out those stars. So you wouldn't print on top. And then just take those stars and right-click your mouse, whatever color blue you want. I would suggest, left-click the field, right-click the outline, take away the color, and then do the red in this and take away the outline, and then move it over. You could do that without, you could just put the red on top of blue. You didn't have to do that last step, but I don't know about printing. Now, let's see if this star looks as good as that one because I'm not touching that top. So I'm just going to make the background black and go to Object, Order, Back of Page, and see it doesn't look as good. So you want to make sure, whoever I'm trying to help, you want to make sure that your star is, you can just delete these because that's why I like the intersect tool, because it's still there. So you could either, it doesn't really matter, well, I guess it does matter that it's in the center. So you could take your star and hold down the shift key and make it bigger and just, try to get some of those tips into the star, and you could actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made an even amount of numbers. And on this one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. See, there's an odd amount of numbers. So you'd really want to have an odd amount. So those tips, or at least that top tip, would be in the center. And we could, there's a way around that. Let's just do this. Let's take this top star and put it right kind of in that star. Let me zoom in a little bit and get that four-sided cross and do that. And then, so we're really off the page, but there's a way, I would just start redesign the whole thing with an odd amount and go intersect and make that red and take away the outline. Now, as what I was saying, you could make all these blue and take away the outline, but the blue star is still there, but we could actually take it away. That's what I should have done. Take it away and see, so you got blue stars, and you're going to put red right on top of them. I don't know how printers work, so that's why you'd want to do that last step and take that star out of there by back minus front. Now, if back minus front doesn't work, depending on where you put it, you could go front minus back, and it's a total different look. But you don't ever know unless you really do some research, which is the front and which is the back. And then what's so nice about this, you don't have to smart fill these. You just go over here and right click, left click, and then take your red stars and put them there. It'll be a lot better looking if your tips are showing, and they'll really show up if you print this on a black t-shirt. And it's kind of a shame you somehow put a little white in there, but it looks much more like a star. Pretty good design. Really close to the first one. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. Thanks you for watching.